Rub your knee with a lemon and see the results quickly. All you need is 1 lemon, cut into smaller pieces. Lemons are not only a rich source of vitamin C, but also a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Their juice supports skin regeneration and effectively soothes muscle and joint pain. Prepare a large jar and place the lemon pieces inside. Now, add a handful of cloves. Cloves are valued for their strong pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to eugenol, which helps ease joint and muscle pain. Next, add 5 crushed bay leaves. These leaves support circulation, reduce inflammation, and accelerate tissue regeneration. Another key ingredient is a tablespoon of coarse salt, which relaxes muscles and reduces swelling. Finally, pour alcohol over the ingredients until the jar is half full. Seal it tightly, shake well, and refrigerate for at least 3 days. After this time, the mixture will be ready to use. Simply massage the liquid into sore areas such as knees, elbows, or wrists. Regular use will help significantly reduce pain and improve mobility. Try this simple remedy and experience its effectiveness.